How to easily enter a referral code on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to enter a referral code on Temu. Whether you are new to Temu or just got your hands on a hot referral code, you will learn how to use it in just a minute. So first thing first, go ahead and open your Temu app. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on the Me or Profile icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the option of Coupon and Offers. Once you're here, you will find a section where it says Google and Offers, and I just want to make sure to tap on it, and then here you will be able to see different types of codes that you can use. So you can use a coupon code, an offer code, a promo code, and also a referral code. If it's unused, you can hit that apply button. You will be able to see a used code as well as the expired codes over here. So to give you a basic idea, this is how you can use demo refill code or a coupon code. That's it. That's how you will be able to enter referral code on Temu app. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.